your Mule application building blocks. These are the main building blocks of your Mule application. And main building blocks of the Mule applications are components. So these are all the components. And then all the components information is available over here. So go here and then open this. So this is the link. Do save this link. So it will show you all the components of your Mule documentation, core components. It will explain you about each and every component. Okay, these are the Mule components, and here is the link for the core components. If you click on this core components, it will show you and explain you about all the components. Okay, so do try to open this and try to at least try to read it, or at least try to see the subheads of it, and try to understand the event processes that we are working. So what are we working? We are working with logger, set payload, and also only read those things, and other things try to identify the subheadings. And these are our event processors or building blocks. So they will execute our business logic and the message flow through your Mule application. So with the help of these components, we will create some logic to address some kind of business solution, so business problem. So we will solve the business problems by using this component. So what is our business problem? Our business problem is integrating the systems. So to integrate the systems, you should accept the data from one system, and then you have to transform that data into a different system, different format, and hand over to a different system. That is our main job here. So as it's an integration tool, what we will do, so we'll be there between two systems. So system A and system B, they don't know each other, or they don't know the language they speak, or they don't know the data formats they will carry. So you are the person, you will stay here and say this guy only knows some text files data, and this guy only knows about some XML data. And these two are exist on different technologies. You as a middleware guy, you are capable to receive this data, and then once you receive this data, what you will do, you will write your logic in your flow. So something like our flow will be horizontal, not vertical. So here you will receive the data, and then after receiving this, you will read the data. After reading the data, you will convert the text data into whatever the requested format, that is XML data, and then you will hand over the data to this guy, and you will hand over the data to this guy, and then at the end, you will set a message. You will send a message to the other guy saying that, hey, I have already sent your text data to the XML system, or you receive text data to the XML data, something like that you will do. So this is our business problem. So for doing this, um, to provide this solution, you will use this event processors, or you will use these components to build your logic. So these are the components are separated into categories: core, core components, modules, and connectors. We'll see that what is module and a connector. By default, every project includes HTTP and socket modules. And if you want, you can add additional module. So you can add like this. With this help, you can add your additional